Hello, my friend. Let's indulge in this perfect blend of sweet and savory honey braised chicken. This mouth-watering dish features tender chicken wings that are seared to perfection and infused with the rich flavors of honey, garlic, ginger, herbal seasonings, and soy sauce. It's easy to make. Sear the chicken until golden brown. In a frying pan, sauté yellow onion and bell peppers, ground or freshly grated ginger, and crushed garlic cloves in olive oil and garlic butter. I also added a dash of celery, chive, and my green seasoning blend this time around. Add soy sauce to the sautéed seasoning and stir to combine. Add honey to the sautéed seasoning and continue cooking. Add the chicken wings to the sautéed onions and peppers. Add some red wine. Add a little water to the pot. Sprinkle chopped chives over the chicken, then cover the pot until the chicken is tender. Uncover the pot and allow the liquid to dry up to your preference. Serve the honey braised chicken. Sweet, savory, and simply irresistible. Thanks for watching Storytime and Cooking with 4C. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.